The TE3 error code on an LG dryer indicates a problem detected by the thermistor, which occurs when the dryer is overheating or the thermistor itself is faulty. Common causes of this code include airflow restriction and lint buildup in the dryer, as well as a faulty thermistor. To fix the issue, try resetting the dryer by powering it off, unplugging it, and pressing the start or pause button for approximately 5 seconds. Then, plug it back in and run a cycle to see if the code persists. Additionally, cleaning the dryer is essential, as lint buildup can restrict airflow and cause overheating. Inspect the dryer for any lint buildup, clear it out, and ensure smooth airflow. If the issue remains, test the thermistor using an ohm meter. Connect the leads to the thermistor and measure the readings as the temperature changes. If the readings do not change accordingly, the thermistor is faulty and needs to be replaced. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the TE3 error code issue on your LG dryer.